from government to establish a cancer cell line lab where I am able to tell that this plant can deal with this type of cancer, because there are many types of cancers.
The first ever Uganda National Science Summit has concluded in Kampala with the observation that knowledge-driven innovations have grown significantly across the country. Throughout the week, participants acknowledged the tireless work of Ugandan scientists tackling technological and health challenges through cutting-edge research and innovation. A key concern raised was Uganda's long-lasting reliance on costly imports of vaccine and drugs, a burden on the economy. But with the promising scientific breakthroughs, locally produced treatments are poised to become more available, affordable and sustainable as Uganda strengthens its pathogen economy.
Can be standardized and it can be medicine and is not witchcraft. So that is even continuously still my goal. And today, I know most of the drugs that are used in chemotherapy, treatment of cancer, which is a very big burden to our country, and which is even a very big burden to the continent of Africa, most of all these treatments are of herbal origin. So that's why
At the heart of the closing ceremony was the prestigious Faces of Science Award presented to Dr. Matthias Magola, founder and managing director of Day Biopharma Limited. The award was received on his behalf by CEO Mr. Hitesh Apret.
A great moment for Day Biopharma, Dr. Matthias Magula getting recognized by the Science and Technology Department of the country. Dr. Matthias Magula, our founder director, he is basically a scientist. Okay, he has more than 100 patents in US. So the overall ecosystem is we have a CRO in US, Contract Research Organization, and we have another CRO in India. So there his science work is going on. Because in Uganda, we don't have that kind of capacity, that kind of capability. So he has taken over a CRO in US and another CRO in India. So there the science happens. So he has more than 100 patents on mRNA technology. I'm sure that you must have heard
Dr. Magola, renowned for his pharmaceutical innovations, had at the beginning of the Science Week delivered a compelling keynote address outlining his vision to position Uganda as a regional biopharma powerhouse.
What you see in Matuga is what they call real innovation. We are not only talking about manufacturing. We are talking about innovation. I'll give you an example. My first patent that I filed in the US, you've heard that I have more than 100 patents in the US, and I continue to file more to treat different diseases. But guess what? The first patent that I filed in the US is used for treatment of acute kidney failure.
The Deputy Speaker of Parliament, Thomas Tayewa, representing President Museveni, officiated the awarding presentation.
Uganda has focused on building capacity for research, development, technology transfer, and commercialization of innovations targeting disease control and management, such as vaccines, diagnostics, therapeutics, and other inputs, such as biologics, personal protective equipment, biomedical equipment, among others. This sector is prime for the African market, where the pharmaceutical industry is worth USD 20 billion and is predicted to reach USD 70 billion by 2030.
Science, Technology and Innovation Minister Dr. Monica Musenero hailed Dr. Magola as a national treasure, citing his leadership in establishing Uganda's first large-scale biopharma facility in Matuga, in Wakiso district.
We have also launched the Made in Uganda supermarket. This is our marketing platform, which we have branded to take products innovated in Uganda. Uganda has been well known as a producer of raw materials, but not as a producer of very high value added products. And so we need to have a very concerted effort to make sure that we are marketing this.
Other honorees included Dr. Edward Kazaire, Dr. Grace Nambatia, Dr. Godfrey Asea, and Paul Isaac Musasizi, CEO of Kira Motors Corporation.
Currently, I am on a journey of standardizing 3 cancer drugs, and I'm doing this research at Mbarara University of Science and Technology, where I'm pursuing my PhD in medicine. So we hope that Once we are able to finish up on this, we will also save Uganda on the burden of $45 million US, which we spend on management of cancer every year. So
Dr. Magola's company has filed over 100 patents with the US Patent and Trademark Office, developed a universal foot and mouth disease vaccine, and pioneered affordable RNA-based cancer therapies, earning global recognition from Ghana to India. Kololo buzzed with energy as tents showcased scalable innovations from solar irrigation systems and telemedicine platforms to electric motorcycles. A standout attraction was the by Farmers $2.5 billion facility, certified by the FDA, EMA, and WHO with the capacity to produce 1 billion mRNA vaccine doses
mRNA,
annually.
Dr. Magula has got some kind of protein, and with that, whether it is diabetes, whether it is cancer, whether it is malaria, all those kind of medicines are going to be manufactured. The innovation is happening in US, but the manufacturing will happen in Uganda.
Rebecca Natongo, Deo Habimana, UBC News.